2018 Hyundai Sonata 2.4. We're gonna replace the cabin filter. So we're gonna twist this one to remove it. Okay. We're gonna release this one too. Alright. So here's our cabin filter for this one. Remove it. So you can see where it says air fuel flow. We're gonna put it in the same position. Okay. There you go. You can see it's really nasty. Okay. So you got the new one from Microsoft. This one is from O'Reilly. This is the port number 4089. So I'm gonna put in the same position like this. It goes here. Yep. This one in place. This one, I'm gonna lift this one a little bit. This one, so there you go. And there we go.